Okay, so my background is Pink Fresh Studio Let Your Heart Decide called Instinct. And the heart washi tape, I don't remember if it came in a Hip Kit Club or if it was Freckle Fawn, but I really want to say it come in the embellishment pack from Hip Kit Club. And then those black and white pattern that came, it's just scraps from past layouts. And I tried to use some older supplies, which I used my scallop scissors, and I cut 2 small scallops and then a larger scallop to use on this layout. I use it in 3 places. And then that sailboat pattern, excuse me, that strip is Pink Paisley Pick Me Up number 22. What, Coco? We're going to go for a walk, okay? I promise. Okay? And Mommy always keeps her promise, okay? Okie dokie. Yeah. Yeah. Mom will take you for her walk. Before it rains. It's been raining. Our ditches, on the way to school, there's a back roads that I tend to take, and the ditches were super full. There is no room for any more water. I mean, it poured this morning when I was coming in, and then there was a horrible accident. And it was like, wow. And I told Mateo, I said, see, I said, that is an example why, oh, you need to drive careful in the rain. Anyway, so I'm using some die cuts. That is an epoxy sticker and a die cut. The epoxy sticker is Pink Fresh Studio called from the mix. And then the die cut is from Pink Fresh Studio, Let Your Heart Decide. And then I have that polka dot pattern, which is Hip Kit Club's Fiesta Vibes by Kim Watson and Kip Hutchinson. It's called Blue Polka. And then I'm trying to see what these pictures were. These pictures are just Mateo being silly. He was in his bed and he put his Thomas Tank Engine blanket over Coco, covered her up. And so it was adorable. So I snapped a picture and he was being silly. And let's see, what time is it? Patton's waiting on his food, aren't you, buddy? Yeah, I know. I feed him around 6:20 and then around 5 o'clock. Yeah. He's got hard food, but he likes moist food because I had some moist food from Murray, from when I had Murray. So I fed him that when he was a kitten, and now it's expected. Yeah. I mean, he will bug the living snot out of you until you get him some moist food. Even though he's got food there, he's got hard food, he will eat the hard food after he eats his moist food. But anyway, crazy cute. Anyway, so I have the wood veneers, and those are Pink Fresh Studio Let Your Heart Decide. And then the Really So Lovely is American Crafts Let's Dance stickers. So once I get all my embellishments down, then I go for the title, which was super simple because they were already phrases. And I like their I don't know, they're, I guess, kind of like a rainbowy effect, kind of, sort of. It's got like the green and then the yellow, and it's pretty. I like it. And then once that's done, that pretty much completes the layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.